Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have negative sine x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. Sine x dx we change by negative du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of number 6 tan t. So I will put this one gone here, and we have du equals to the square root of number 6 secant of t square dt. Because if I put this one gone here, we have number 6 tan t square. Number 6, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the u from here. So I will put this one gone here. Du that is about this one. This one we have number 6 tan t square. Number 6 and number 6 we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t square. And now we need to simplify, and we have like this. So the integration of this one, we have t, and I will put about c, about t in here. That is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 6. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. And now we need to change t into this one. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.